Okay, so you must have already read this, so I'm directly coming to this. Okay, so there are 8 friends. They study in different B schools. They use different props, and they are sitting some facing in, some facing out. Okay, start with this point. Anu and Hina sit diametrically opposite each other and use the same prop. Okay, so Anu and Hina diametrically opposite each other we have taken. Now Hina from IMT uses Duffly. So Hina is from IMT and she uses Duffly. Okay, Duffly as a prop. We know that Anu and Hina are using Duffly. Okay, Anu and Hina using same prop, use the same prop. So Anu will also use Duffly. Now Duffly is done. 2 Dufflys we have, and that is done. Okay. Now Hina from IMT is Duffly. She sits immediately to the left of both Charu and IMI. Charu from IMI and Banu from FMS. Okay. So see, 2 cases it is possible that Charu can be this side and can be this side as well. So let us replicate this case. So 2 cases you have taken. Now in one case Charu over here and Charu over here, and who are the 2 persons? Charu and Banu, na? Charu and Banu. So Banu over here and Banu over here. Okay. Now Hina is to the immediate left of both. How is it possible? When Charu will face outside, then left will be Hina and Banu will face inside. And in this case, Banu outside and Charu inside. Okay. Now the first point is done. The person sitting diametrically opposite the person from IMI faces inside. So who is from IMI? Charu is from IMI, so this will face inside, and in this case, this person will face inside. Goru from IIMS sits immediately to the left of Anu from CIMP. Okay, so Goru is from IIM Shillong. Okay, Goru and Anu is from CIMP. But this seating part will come to this later on. Charu and both her neighbor face inside. Okay, so Charu is over here. Neighbors are this and this. Both will face inside. Here this and this both will face inside. Okay. Danu from IMA sits diametrically opposite Ilu. So Danu is from IMA. Nice. So IMA sits diametrically opposite Ilu. Okay. So where are the possibilities for taking diametrically opposite D and D? Only possibilities at this place, because here if we take, suppose if we take here we don't have vacancy. Here if we take, we don't have here vacancy. Here also no vacancy. So only spot is this. Okay. So D and D will come in any order. We don't know the order yet, and here in this case also the only possibility is at this place in any order. Okay. The props used by Banu and Charu are Chunni and Dholak respectively. So Banu is using Chunni and Charu is using Dholak. Dhanu who uses Chunni, so Dhanu is using Chunni. Now Chunni prop is also occupied. 2 are done. Okay. Dhanu uses Chunni, sits third to the left of person from IMR. Okay. The person from IFT uses Danda and is the only person sitting between the 2 person using Dholak. So who are the 2 person using Dholak? One is Charu and other we don't know. So one is Charu. Okay. So if we take Charu, okay, it is given that the person from IFT uses Danda and is the only person sitting between the 2 person using Dholak. Okay. So if Charu is over here, 2 possibilities that only one person come in between is at this place or at this place. Okay. So if we take this case C and B, so B should also use the person from IFT using Danda as the only person sitting, the 2 person using Dholak. So B should also use Dholak, but B is using Chunni. So this is not possible. Okay. So only possibility is that this person uses Dholak. Okay. So this person uses Dholak. Okay. And Danu who uses Chunni sits under the person from IFT uses Danda. Okay. So D or E, either of them will be from the person from IFT uses Danda and is the only person. Okay. So D or E, either of the person will be from IFT. D cannot be from IFT, so only possibility is E from IFT. So if E is over here, D is over here. Okay. And it means that E is from IFT. Okay. Let us check this case as well, and the person from IFT uses Danda, so this will be Danda. Okay. Now let us check that this case satisfies or not. Okay. Where is Charu? Charu is over here. B cannot be taken over here. We can take over here. Only possibility is that E is over here. So D will be over here. Okay. So E is over here and D is over here. Okay. Now only college left is what? IIMR is over here. Okay. Dholak two dholaks are done. Okay, one person will be seated over here who will use dholak. Okay, and G is also left. Goru from IS sits immediately to the left of Anu from CIMP. Okay, good one. Okay, so what can be done now? F and G. What are the props left? Duffly done. Dholak is still left. Chunni done, and dholak and danda are left. Okay, one dholak and one danda is left. Now Dhanu, who uses chunni, sits third to the left from person from IR. Okay, so yes, this point. Dhanu sits third to the left of person from IMR. So from IMR is F. So third to the left is only possibility is third to the left from IMR. So here can we take first to the left, second to the left, third to the left? Yes, this is possible. Okay, so if we take Dhanu over here, this person has to face outside, then only Dhanu will be to this side, third to the left. Okay, Dhanu will be, then only Dhanu will be third to the left. Okay, and the person, where is Goru from IMS sits to the immediate left. Okay, Dhanu, no, where it is there, where is the IM? Yes, Dhanu uses chunni sits third to the left of the person from IMR. Okay, so this person is IMR and IMR is F, so F has to be over here and G is left, G will be over here. Okay, now one point we have, the person from IFT uses, no, where is CMP? Goru from IMS sits to the immediate left of Anu from CMP. So immediate left of Anu, so which means that Anu will face outside. Okay, now this C and F both are using same prop, so it has to be dholak. Okay, and this G has to be danda. Now same thing we are coming to this case as well. If D we have to take third to the left, only possibility is that F is sitting over here and he has to face inside. First to the left, second to the left, third to the left, only possibility. Okay, and now G will be over here. Okay, and since G is facing this side, so G will face this side. Okay, so this much we are done and this very done. So two cases are being made. Now you have not posted the questions. Had the question been there, then I would have answered all the questions. Okay, wait, let me check for a minute. I'll check all the points are satisfying or not. According to me, both the cases looks correct, and now this will depend upon the questions. So I hope this it is clear now.